Hey everyone, Dr. Magic here with another magic egg. Wow, look at it. This egg is white with red stripes. It feels a little heavy. I wonder what animal is inside. Let's open it and see. First we have to crack the egg with our magic hammer. Oh, I think we cracked it. All right, let's see what's inside. Wow. Wow, look what we found. This is a lion. Lions are cats, which means they're carnivores, which means they eat meat. Lions eat zebra and antelope, and they can get 8 feet long and 500 pounds. That's bigger than the average person. Now, this lion is a boy. You can tell by the mane around its head. It's a thick ring of fur that goes around his head. That's how you can tell a boy lion from a girl lion. Baby lions are called cubs. Now, there's a famous lion cub in The Lion King, which is a Disney movie, and his name is Simba. Simba is a lion. Lions also have the loudest roar of any cat. Let's hear what that sounds like. Wow, that's cool. Sometimes lions are known as the king of the jungle, but they don't really live in the jungle, they live in the grasslands of Africa. Let's see where lions come from. Lions live right here, right in the middle of Africa. That's where you can find a lion in the wild. But lions are endangered in the wild, which means they're at risk of becoming extinct or disappearing forever. So always take care of the environment so that we can have these guys around for a long time. Wow. Lions are pretty cool, huh? Well, thanks for watching, guys. This is Dr. Magic with another magic egg. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. See you next time. Who knows what we'll find?